Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from MadKin Beauty, and I'm super excited. We're going to create a simple, easy 4th of July mani, and we're going to throw in some leopard print decals from Nails Truly. We're going to dive right into this mani. We're going to do the gel method today, and we're going to start out by using this beautiful white color here called Blissful Kiss. It is stunning, it is shimmery, it is everything, and it's a really awesome color to add to your collection because you can use this for so many things. It's a great background on its own. Is like an all over mani. This color would look stunning like as a one colored mani. Otherwise, it's a great staple. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be using it as a background on a decal, and then one accent nail. It's a gorgeous color. If you love nail art and decals, this is really one to have because the glitter in here, it's super finely milled. So you're going to get a really nice surface background. And when you place that decal on there, like you're going to see here in a little bit, it's not going to be raised or anything like that. So a gorgeous color to have. Another one here, this is a red color, but it is gorgeous. It is more of like a darker bright red, if that makes any sense. It almost has like a bluer undertone to it. It's a really good red. It's not too orangey. It's not too bright. It is a great staple color to have. Now, 4th of July manis, obviously we use the traditional red, white, and blue. But these colors here are perfect for all year long. And if you haven't tried any dip powders from MadKin Beauties, these three that we're going to be using today are definitely great colors to add to your collection. So you can see here, we are going to be doing a second coat of this beautiful red here. And you're going to see, I mean, that first dip was very full coverage, but you're going to see this color really become one and vibrant with that second dip. It's just going to be just a bright, vibrant red, and you can see the difference there with the two dips versus one. But I really like this color, and you can totally build this up from one dip. You can see there it was more of like a sheer, almost like a jelly kind of feel to it, but you can build it up from 2 dips all the way to 3, whatever your heart desires. I went ahead and did 2 dips, and then this blue here, it's amazing. I love this blue so much. Look at that blue. It is the perfect 4th of July blue, denim blue, and this sparkle is unreal in this blue, and it is great. So I love this color so much. I've used it in the past before, and it is my go-to blue because I love everything that shimmers, and this blue right here, the shimmer is just chef's kiss. It is very awesome. And this blue right here, just the undertone of it, it's like the perfect blue jean blue. Total Eclipse is definitely a must-have. So we're going to go ahead and add some transfer foil glue to this nail. This is the nail that we're going to add that decal to, and I'm going to cure that nail in the UV light for 60 seconds to let that transfer foil glue cure, and then I place that decal in the water, and now we're going to go ahead and apply it to the nail. Now I like applying my decals with a transfer foil glue because I feel like I can get that decal to lay super flat to the nail and become one. And then since this is a full decal, I'm using a little bit of acetone on this brush, and I'm removing the extra decal away from the nail, and that is it. And then to complete this mani, I'm going to seal in this decal here with a gel base, and I'm going to make sure I really focus on that whole entire nail and cap that free edge because I do not want to disturb that nail at all with that beautiful decal. And then to finish up this mani, after we cured that base, I went ahead and used my favorite gel top coat, and here is the simple 4th of July mani that we created today using MadKin Beauty dip powders, and then we added a little bit of fierce leopard prints. I'm totally loving it. It's a very simple mani, but these colors are perfect for all year long, and they're great colors to add to your collection. So MadKin Beauty is also having a sale right now. So if you haven't tried anything and now is your time, they have a sale right now that lasts till Friday. So that is June 16th. If you buy 2 dips, you do get one free. And I don't believe, let me just double check here, there is no code needed for that. It's just automatically going to be applied to your cart. So now is the time to get some really awesome dip powders. The quality is there, the pigmentation's there. You're really going to like it. And this red has very minimal staining to no staining at all. And I did not have to file and buff these dip powders when I did the gel method. So if you love the gel method, these powders are going to be your jam. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next upload.